Your oral health is more than just about a cleaning. It's about maintaining a healthy smile. At Dental Now Panorama, we believe in the importance of keeping your teeth and gums in the best shape possible. Our dental hygiene therapy is designed to do just that. While many people call it a cleaning, this treatment is about much more. It's about protecting your oral health, preventing gum disease, and ensuring your teeth remain strong and healthy. Our dental hygiene therapy involves a thorough assessment and treatment of your teeth and your gums. We're not only cleaning the surface, we're removing harmful plaque and tartar, checking for signs of decay, assessing gum health, and addressing any gum and dental issues that might be developing. Regular dental hygiene therapy is key to preventing serious dental issues. By keeping up with your therapy sessions, you're taking a proactive step in maintaining your oral health and avoiding more complex treatments down the line. Our team tailors each session to your specific needs. Whether you're prone to gum issues or have other concerns, we focus on what will keep your mouth the healthiest. Your oral health directly impacts your entire body. Research shows that gum disease and inflammation in the mouth are linked to conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. By prioritizing regular and consistent dental hygiene therapy, you're not only maintaining a bright smile, you're supporting your overall health and well-being. A healthy mouth leads to a healthier you. Don't wait until there's a problem. Schedule your dental hygiene therapy with Dental Now today and keep your smile healthy and bright.